Good morning, Philippines. Today we face the camera Janine Tugunan, meaning person of English. Let's welcome Janine Marie Tugunan. Good morning, Miss Janine. Good morning. Miss Janine, can you share your life as before you became the first runner-up of Miss Universe? Yes. Miss Janine, what life was but before that you were first runner-up in Miss Universe?
Nung bata ako, nag-iwas lang ako sa daan to study the monetary income and charity.
How do you overcome the hardships you at first?
I studied hard and never stopped studying even harder because I thought that maybe someday I have a child and I want to experience her as I experienced at this.
Do you participate in children's beauty pageant at school?
Yes, I have joined a lot when I was younger because I was high.
Happy buying a dress for the pageant middle school?
No, I'm just borrowing from a friend because I was smashed. She got gown and sandals because they have another and do not have money to buy.
Do you have joined before joining Binibining Philippines or Miss Universe?
Before I joined the Miss Philippines pageant, winners in the search for ideal personal and to mention, before I joined of Binibining Philippines, I get pharmacy board exam and got a license June 2010.
What course you entered Miss Janine?
I graduated cum laude with a bachelor's degree in pharmacy from University of Santo Tomas or called UST.